Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to demonstrate some cool AI technology from Google where you can share your screen and it can teach you how to use software. So you can find it at this website here, and you just click share your screen, select the screen you want to share, and here we're going to learn how to use some new software we're developing.
Okay, it looks like you're going to learn how to use some new software that is being developed. Okay, since you have the software open, one way to demo it would be to start a new project. In the File menu, you should see a New option, which is the first option in the menu. Do you see the New option? It looks like a new project is opened with a grid visible on the screen. Is that what you see?
Yes.
Perfect. Now you can explore the import options on the right side of the screen to add data to your new project. Would you like to explore these options?
Yes, I'm going to click Demo Soft Survey.
Okay, you're going to click on Demo Survey. Let me know what happens after you click it.
I'm going to select Feet.
Okay, you selected feet as the unit. What do you see now?
So, looks like the survey topography is loaded.
It appears the demo survey topography has loaded. It looks like the program is displaying the topographical data of the selected area. Is there anything specific you'd like to explore next?
What can I do with this topographic data? And see
now
slope
you're asking
overview.
what you can do. It seems that you clicked on the slope option. This likely allows you to visualize the slope in the area. Are you interested in analyzing the slope data?
Yes.
It seems you've selected the total slope option, and now the slope data is visually represented on the map with arrows. What aspect of the slope data are you interested in examining?
Looks like it's mostly red. How do I change this legend?
You've noticed that the slope is mostly represented in red, and you'd like to know how to change the legend. In this program, the colors in the legend represent different levels of slope, and you're likely seeing mostly red because a large portion of the survey area has slopes within the range that red represents. If you'd like to change the color scheme of the slope data or adjust the legend itself, that might be a more advanced setting. Is there something specific you want to change about the legend?
Yeah, I want to change it so it's not all red.
I understand you want to change the legend so the map isn't all red. To do this, you might need to adjust the existing total slope values that are on the top right of the screen, above the legend. These values determine the range of slopes for each color displayed. Would you like to explore adjusting the values to change the legend?
Yes.
It seems that you want to proceed with adjusting the slope values. Go ahead and click on the slope option again on the right-hand side of the screen. Once you click it, the menu should expand, showing options like main, cross, and total. Did the menu expand with more options?
I can see legend here. I'm going to change that to 1.
It seems like you've navigated to the legend settings and are planning to change both the interval and the minimum values to 1. After making this change, you should see an update to the color scheme of the map, as it will now use the new interval and minimum settings to display the range of slopes. Does the map look less red after making those changes?
Looks good now.
It seems that adjusting the legend's interval and minimum values allowed you to change the color scheme to show a wider range of slopes. Now that you've explored the slope data, are there any other aspects of this software you'd like to demo?
Yes, what else can I try?
You have explored the slope data. You are asking what else you can try. There are options to explore the benchmarks, topography, and depressions. Would you like to explore any of these options?
Well, I've seen the benchmarks and the depression. What about this depressions? And that looks interesting.
Okay. It looks like you've now selected the depressions option. The software is now showing potential water accumulation areas within the survey. What do you find interesting about these depressions?
Not too many.
You've noticed that there aren't too many depressions showing up on the map. Is there anything specific you'd like to explore related to the depression data?
No.
So it seems you've explored the different options available in the software, including importing a demo survey, visualizing slope data, adjusting the color legend, and analyzing depressions. Is there anything else you'd like to do, or are you ready to conclude the demo?
What else can I do?
Asking what else the software can do. You could explore the flow or design sections, which seem to be the other options available. Would you like to explore the flow section to simulate water flow?
Yes.
Selected the flow option. It appears the software is now simulating water flow on the map. You can see how water would move based on the existing topography. Do you have any specific questions, or would you like to adjust the settings for the flow simulation?
That looks fine. How can I design some earthworks on this field?
Satisfied with the flow simulation and are now asking how to design earthworks on the field. To do this, you can use the options under the design section. Would you like to explore these design options now?
Yes.
The design options. It seems that you are looking at the design contour banks option. Would you like to select design contour banks to explore that option now?
Let's try it.
Selected design contour banks. Now you have the option to define settings like point spacing, target slope, and slope tolerance. You can also select a starting point for the contour banks with Pick Start. Would you like to explore these options and adjust the settings now?
Let's try this.
Ready to pick a start point for your contour banks. The software is now prompting you to click start point and then click second point for direction. Go ahead and click your start point.
I have.
Place the start point for your contour bank, and the software is now displaying a proposed contour line with a profile graph showing the elevation changes along the proposed contour. Are you satisfied with this design, or would you like to explore other options?
That's interesting.
Is there anything specific you find interesting about the contour design, or would you like to explore other functionalities of the program?
So there you go. How incredible was that? And it'll only get better. Sorry, I had to cut that short because there is a time limit, but it's only going to get better, and it'll be able to teach you anything you want. And hopefully in the future in AgEarth, we'll have a one-click button that you can have a coach sitting beside you and advising you how to do things. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.